Ever heard of scromiting? It's a mashup of screaming and vomiting, and it's as awful as it sounds. This term describes the main symptoms of cannabinoid hyperemesis syndrome, or CHS. Media group, simple medical infographic showing person clutching stomach with arrows to brain and gut. Doctor, pointing to diagram of abdominal pain and nausea symptoms, and stock would distribute equally. Severe nausea, intense abdominal pain, and relentless vomiting, often linked to long-term, heavy cannabis use. Ironically, cannabis is known for easing nausea, but with frequent high-dose use, it can trigger the very symptoms it's meant to relieve. As cannabis products have become more potent, doctors are seeing more cases of CHS, forcing a closer look at its long-term effects. The syndrome often goes unrecognized until vomiting and pain become so severe that patients end up in the hospital, desperate for relief. Cannabis can both soothe and cause nausea, a true paradox. In small doses, THC calms the stomach by interacting with our endocannabinoid system, but with heavy long-term use, the system gets overloaded and the effect reverses. Cannabis starts causing nausea and vomiting instead of stopping it. CHS almost always affects daily, long-term users, not occasional ones. Many try using more cannabis to feel better, but this only worsens the symptoms, trapping them in a vicious cycle. Understanding this reversal is key to breaking free from CHS. So, why does CHS happen? It's all about how cannabis interacts with our brain and gut. THC binds to cannabinoid receptors in both places, helping with nausea at first, but overwhelming the system with chronic use. Over time, gut receptors become desensitized, sending distress signals instead of calming ones. Meanwhile, THC builds up in fat cells, disrupting the brain's ability to regulate nausea and digestion. The result? Both the gut and brain start sending powerful "I feel sick" messages, leading to uncontrollable vomiting. It's a double whammy. The very system cannabis once soothed now triggers chaos. The body's desperate response is forceful, repeated vomiting, scromiting. One of the strangest signs of CHS is the compulsive need for hot showers. For many, it's the only thing that temporarily relieves the pain and nausea. Hot water distracts the brain by flooding it with strong temperature signals, drowning out the gut's distress. This gate control effect tricks the brain, but doesn't fix the underlying problem. There's also a theory that heat activates certain receptors in the skin and gut, briefly resetting the system. But as soon as the shower ends, symptoms return, leading to repeated, sometimes hours-long bathing. It's a coping mechanism, not a cure, and highlights just how severe CHS can be. The only real cure for CHS is to stop using cannabis completely. This can be tough, especially for those who rely on it for other health issues. But no treatment works while cannabis use continues. Recovery takes time. THC lingers in the body, so symptoms may persist for days or weeks after quitting. Medical support is often needed for hydration and symptom control during withdrawal. Most people who quit cannabis see their CHS symptoms disappear for good. If you're a regular user and start experiencing unexplained nausea or find hot showers help, don't ignore it. These are warning signs. Talk to a healthcare professional for diagnosis and support. CHS is serious, but it's reversible. Listen to your body, and you can take back control of your health.